Suragi Pandesal Bar, diba? So, bumili muna kami ng pandesal. Hi! Good morning! We're going to the terminal, going to Valderrama. So, bye-bye! Bye! Okay, so we're here in Ilaures, and then we traveled from Cubay. From UA to Cubay around 5 minutes, and then we traveled from Cubay to Ilaures around 50 minutes. So we're here. Good morning again. Good morning. Kagigising na namin actually. So we're on our way to Valderrama. So we're waiting for another jeep. Tricycle. Another tricycle pala. So,
sasakay tayo ng tricycle.
Yeah, stay tuned. Bye!
Guys, hi! Say hi!
We are here. Panubaso. Sorry, wrong pronunciation.
So it takes
How many minutes already?
20 minutes!
20 minutes
from
to travel from
Ilaures to here in Panubason.
Okay, kumusta biyay? Bye!
Sobrang
Kapoy! My gosh!
Kapoy pungko.
Pero ay, ang ganda ng ano
Sulit! Yeah!
Oh my God. Mountains meet the sky. Ganda ng ano. Totoo pala yun. Uy,
Yeah!
nasa na yung mga boys?
Boys!
Wala makaabot.
Waiting for boys.
Maghihintay muna kami sa mga
boys.
Uy, sugatan mo. Nagpanik natin sa piya. Kailangan mo habaan ang pasensya mo, mana.
Haba ng tulay, no? See? Haba-haba, oh! Tapos ang ganda ng view! Oh my gosh! Ay.
Naunar na tagdarwa tayo. Doon mga pakialam. Let's go, Dora. Oh my God! Dora. Ay, mga Dora. Dora. Oh my God! No.
tayo. May palay.
The crab.
May palay.
Hindi nakagi pagsasama.
May palay.
Ganang, ganda nga. Ano ko dyan?
Gani.
Hindi yan nakagi pagsasama. Diyan tamo jogging. Sabi mo ko na pa, magulit ako nga. Baka mo yung palay niya. Oh! Ito nga sa unang sa at may banway.
Oh.
Lang. Okay, so we're here in the municipality of Valderrama, right? Right! Galaw, yeah. And then we're here because we're going to have our interview for the mayor in relation to our project, since at the same time we're making a vlog, but at the same time also we're going to showcase the relationship of our course in the community and also to make a travel vlog. Okay, so we're here to interview the mayor, and oh my gosh, I'm so nervous because we're not prepared yet. Okay, so are you ready?
Ready!
Okay. Kaya? So,
Kaya mo.
Carrie?
Kakayanin
Okay,
para
go,
Kakayanin para sa
Sweetie! We're blessed because we have the time to interview the assistant,
Executive Assistant
executive assistant
of Mayor Posadas.
of Mayor Posadas here in Valderrama. So we're going to ask him some information about Valderrama. So let's start. Okay. So hi sir, good morning.
Good morning,
sir. We're the student from UA, and I would like to ask you if what is Valderrama is known for what? Yes.
So, if we speak about Valderrama, Valderrama is known for mountains, no? Because Valderrama is crowned with mountains and rivers. So the primary products of Valderrama is of course agriculture. And now we are promoting tourism here in Valderrama because we have a resort here and the famous Mount Ipurun. So if we want to market Valderrama, we want to be known as one of the main tourist attraction here in the province of Antique.
Oh, and that stands as your assets of this, as the asset of this community, of this municipality, rather.
Then, so how is it here? Is it peaceful? Is it the ideal community that you're living in?
Yes, if we speak of community, Valderrama is a very peaceful community. So we are one of the interior municipality in the province, and the people here are warm and very accommodating. And if you want to visit us, you will experience how nice the people of Valderrama. And of course, we are pleased to have a very good nature here. So in terms of communities, so we have we are considered one of the geographically disadvantaged municipality. No? Ang meaning of GIDA, isolated and disadvantaged, because during rainy season there is serious flooding here in the municipality because of the Kangaranan River. You see our river, a very wide river. Then if the rain pours for a week or a day, so the people on the other side of the river cannot pass through the river, so they are isolated. So that's the main problem. But during summer season, it's okay because they can pass the river. The trucks, the four-wheel vehicles, and the balabal are the means of transportation. So in terms of the communities there, now they are not really so isolated because many vehicles can pass through that wide river.
Okay. So, what during Christmas season or Halloween, what activity you usually do here?
As a rural municipality, the people here are celebrating the tradition of the Filipino tradition of Christmas, of All Saints Day, All Souls Day, Halloween. So typical celebration during Halloween as a rural community, the folks here prepared food for they said that this is food for the soul. Then during November 1, All Saints Day, there is also a mass in the cemetery. So the families gather. Some of the families who are far away, they go home during All Saints Day, All Souls Day, and join with their family to visit their remains or their relatives in the cemetery. And during Christmas season, the drama also celebrate colorful Christmas. The municipal hall is decorated with lanterns, with Christmas lights, and of course the typical celebration during December 25, Noche Buena, and Medianoche, and Simbang Gabi.
Okay, so what about sir in the community, like tree planting, cleaning your, you have sea here?
No,
Just
so
river.
because it is a mountainous municipality, we have only rivers, we don't have sea. Then, but of course, during there are many times that we conduct tree planting because because of our forest area. Then in terms of clean and green, lately we have clean up drive because we are we are dengue prone community. So there are cases of dengue, so we have a clean up drive program because now Bandarama is the first dengue infested municipality. But then because of our clean up drive, we have already cleared the municipality, and now dengue cases have lowered.
So what is your like program that you are imposing, like in the waste
solid waste management.
solid waste management?
So we are also have this solid waste management program where every day there is a garbage collector in our municipality, and we have a dump site so that all the garbage will be dumped in our egg park. Later on we will be having that ecological park. That there is segregation. We will plant their vegetables out from the waste from biodegradable materials that is collected from the waste of the municipality.
Is it house to house?
Yeah, house to house.
All members of the house should separate their garbage.
Not really separate, but they
Like segregate, I mean.
segregate. Then in the eco park, our mga basurero, will also segregate the biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials.
So what is the belief that
All beliefs that still possesses
is
that
still
makes-
practiced by the people here in Valderrama?
In terms of belief, I don't really, I cannot say what are the belief because in Valderrama there is no, I don't think they believe in aswang or the other Encanto. But then in community, when we speak of community development, one of the peculiar thing in Valderrama is we have the indigenous people called Irainan Bukidnon. So in Valderrama, there are 3 barangays where considered IP communities, Barangay Busog, Barangay Culyat, Barangay San Agustin, indigenous people. So they are there in the mountains, and they still practice the belief and the tradition of Irainan. But I cannot tell you what's the practice of the Irainan. But one thing sure is Valderrama is considered an IP community So in terms of projects, there are projects that are given by the National Commission on Indigenous People for the IPs, and one project is the tree planting. They are given seedlings to plant and to maintain, so that their forest will be, the trees will be grown in the forest, and to protect our ecology.
So, lastly, I would like to ask you, sir, what advice can you give to us as we are the future developers of
Innovators
yeah,
of community.
So, what can you advise to us?
So I would like to tell you that before I entered here in LGU Valderrama, I once 15 years community organizer. I worked at Ublang Ibilyo, an NGO, and later on ADF, Atikin Development Foundation. So Ublang Ibilyo is a non-government organization, and we are organizing barangays in the Paraplang municipalities of Antique. So 15 years I've worked there as a community organizer, community development worker. And an advice, though, it's good for you that community development is already a course, because once I worked as a community organizer, I graduated with a different course. So now it's good for you that you are trained to do community work. And the advice is, as far as my experience is concerned in community work, first is be patient, because one thing that the community development worker is challenged is because of the areas, because you will be organizing associations, we're organizing farmers associations, women associations in far away barangays, so poor communities, so must be patient, and you will encounter different kinds of people.
Wide range of people.
So you must be prepared for that, na you will be sleeping in the area wherein there is no bed. I experienced that, and you will eat what they eat, and you will carry all the baggage from the center of the town to that barangay. You will be walking and will be traversing mountains and rivers, so that's the one that you must be prepared. And of course, that the nature of the work of a community development worker is very challenging, and you must possess skills to be complacent with other people.
You know how to deal with
you
other
want
people.
other to deal, and you will be living with their culture, you will be living their lifestyle. So
Your dialect also.
your dialect. So if you are living in Kutsun, in you will mattress, and you will eat good food in your homes, be prepared that in the areas you will be assigned, you will eat what they eat, and you will experience, you will encounter, you will mingle with people with different culture and attitude, and
You're the one to adjust.
and then if you are lady, you will prepare, because
Oh my
there are so many guys
Oh my God.
running after you. And but then it's a good so for me it's a good course, it's a good it's a vocation, to help other people, because as a community development worker, salary or money doesn't count. The more important thing is you can help uplift the life of the poor person, and it's happiness for you. If you leave that barangay, then after 5 years you will return, you can see, oh, they improve a lot because you have organized the farmers, then you have organized the women, giving projects, so you will be loved by that barangay, and that's the more important thing as a community development worker.
Yes. That's all, sir. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
Thank
much.
you for the inspiring advice we had get. And so we learned a lot from you, sir. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Bye,
sir.
guys.
Tagadiin ka mo?
After interviewing the executive assistant of the mayor, so we had get a lot of lesson, learning how to become a community developer. So pupunta man tayo sa community So thank you so much, the Municipio of Valderrama. So thank you so much. Bye-bye. Mayad na hapon. Hi. Yeah, so we're here in the plaza of Valderrama. So we're going home, guys. And yeah, it was a nice experience. We hike at naputikan kami. Yeah, that's true.
Sulit,
So
sulit.
sulit lahat. My gosh. So,
Nakakapagod, pero sulit.
nakakapagod, but it's worth it seeing the
Nice,
Villa
nice.
Resort and we
Nice,
swim there.
Valderrama.
Sayang hindi kayo kasama. Oh my gosh, joke lang.
So intense.
Yeah,
Kita mo yung sapatos.
thank you thank you for stopping by. And then, so, interviewin ko makasama ko kung ano yung feeling nila ngayon, kung anong feeling nila nung nag-hike kami, kung anong mga nakita nila, because since we're both since it was our
Beautiful,
first
so
time, I
good.
mean, to be here. So all of us, it's our first time to be here in Valderrama and going to the resort. So what is your experience, Odessa?
Syempre, as staying here,
Yeah,
Not
so
really.
I mean,
So-
she is
living
came-
here.
She's born here. Yeah, she's
yeah.
staying here.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah, she's
So-
staying here and
Valderrama is nice. I'm encouraging all of us that the Valderrama is nice and the yeah.
let's go for
Kahit na
Valderrama,
naputikan
guys.
kami. Kahit na naputikan
Okay, so
Tsaka
kayo,
naulanan.
ano yung
There's
mga
a-
feelings nyo dyan? Tired. Syempre, Valderrama is so amazing.
Nice reaction.
Ano yung ano nyo nung nakita nyo, yung
Kita namin sa
maganda
mga
yung
Guys,
Valderrama.
ano masabi nyo sa Valderrama?
Yeah, anong
Mini
masasabi
Falls
nyo?
sa Valderrama.
Maganda.
Maganda.
Tsaka
Sulit
Nice
ba?
yung mga
tao din. Okay.
Okay yung mga tao.
Very entertaining yung mga tao. Hospitable.
Hospitable. Yeah.
Hospitable.
So, hospitable. Yeah. And I feel the warmth here in Valderrama. So, kahit naulanan, worth it pa rin. Yeah. Oh my
Yes, ganda.
gosh.
Yes, ganda.
Yeah, it is ganda.
ganda.
May ganda ba tayo? Wala. Joke lang, oy. Kahit wala kaming ganda, meron.
Pero
Inuhin nyo na lang. I-consider nyo na lang na meron kami na. Yeah. Worth
Yes,
it pa rin.
ganda.
Yeah. So,
Ipakita mo yung bebe.
ayan.
Ipakita mo yung
Naputikan
paa
na
mo.
namin.
Ang butas namin.
Oh my gosh.
Ang
Tingnan nyo.
butas.
Stay strong yung sapatos
Mama, mama,
ko.
wait.
My
Nagbabalik.
gosh. Kaya,
Kulang kami isa, pero okay lang yan.
May nagbabalik.
Okay, okay. So, bye-bye. Bye. Rotate kayo dyan. Bye-bye. Wait.
Lagasig.
Oh my God. Nahilo ako. Oh my God. Bye-bye. Oh my gosh.
Wah!
Yes, success.